Retagging a light fixture. So there are a couple of ways of doing this depending how you've taken off the light fixture. If you've used, say, just one of the assemblies here, and this was tagged as an FH2 by accident, and these are FH1s, I can select the row in my audit trail and click on the edit button here and simply rename this to be an FH1. Now, if I have done this with typicals, for example, and this FS2 is supposed to be a FS3, I can right click, select settings, and call this an FS3. Now, what we may need to do here is when we do that in our takeoff here, it's not going to necessarily go through and update each one of those in there. So what we can do is find any one of them and simply do an assembly refresh on it. And now if I expand that out in here, it's going to be the FS3. If I need to update the takeoff description also, I can simply click edit and rename the takeoff description here. And you can update the description to whatever you need it to be in this case for anything. There we go. I can update that. And now we have all of these things updated depending how it's been taken off and whether it was a assembly or a typical that was used to plug this in. If you have any questions, let us know.